In this, I am actually doing a little bit of calculating. It wants me to evaluate the expressions for the different things. Now, f of 20, the first thing I notice is it says to use function f, because I have function f and function g up here. So this is the one I'm going to use. Notice that x is replaced with a 20. So really what it wants me to do is to say what happens when I substitute 20 for x into this function. What do I get? You were required to show the substitution step and on your answer to give the appropriate notation. So f of 20 equals 3 times 20 is 60, minus 10 is 50. In this case, what I know is the left side of the equation. I know f of x. What I don't know is the value of x. So 35 equals 3x minus 10, and I want to find out what x equals. So I'm going to add 10 to both sides to get the constants together. 45 equals 3x. Then when I divide both sides by 3, I end up with x equals 15. This one tells me to use function g, so this is the function I'm going to use, and to substitute 3 in for the x. So 3 squared plus 1. X squared plus 1 becomes 3 squared plus 1. So g of 3 is 3 squared is 9, plus 1 is 10. This one's interpreting things from a graph. So notice again, the thing in parentheses is the x. So it says, what is the value of d, which is on this vertical axis, when x is 1? So I'm going to go over to where x is 1, which is right here, and I'm going to go up and over and say that it's about 7.5 or 8. So d of 1 is, and that little squiggly equal sign means is approximately equal to. Looks like it's a little bit more than halfway, so I'm going to say 8. And then it says, hey, what about when the vertical axis is, the curve hits the vertical axis at negative 10? So I go across at negative 10, and then up to find the x value, and x is about 2.5.